हरे कृष्णा एवरीवन। तो वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आप लोग लाइक कमेंट सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिएगा यदि आप लोग को वीडियो पसंद आ रहा है तो आज हम लोग पॉलिनोमियल सेकंड चैप्टर क्लास 9 का लेके आए हैं एक क्वेश्चन। यहाँ पे बोला जा रहा है कि a का वैल्यू क्या होगा। फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ a फॉर व्हिच दिस पॉलिनोमियल x to the power 4 minus x cube this one is divisible by x plus 3. So we have to see that x plus 3 से divisible हो रहा है, so x plus 3 will be a factor of this polynomial. Okay ना? So we are starting to solve solution. So now like x plus 3, just write down x plus 3 is a factor of px, and just write down here let px equal to this polynomial. Okay na? X to the power 4 minus x cube minus 11x square minus x plus a. So this polynomial I have written down here. Now you have to just find out the value of x here na. Okay na? So x plus 3 is equal to 0. That means that x equal to minus 3. So I have to put the value of x in px. Okay na? Therefore px at x equal to minus 3, so have to find out the value. Now see, minus 3 whole to the power 4, again minus 3 whole to the power 3, next minus 11, next minus 3 whole square, next minus of minus 3, and then plus a. Okay na? And this will be equal to 0. Okay, so just like that we are finding out. So now minus to the minus 1 whole to the power 4, that means plus, and 3 to the power 4, how much will be there? 81. Yes or no? Next minus 1 का होल क्यूब क्या कितना होगा? माइनस होगा, तो माइनस माइनस कितना हो जाएगा? प्लस हो जाएगा. And 3 to the power 3, how much will be that? 27. Okay, next minus. Now minus 1 का होल स्क्वायर कितना होता है? 1 होता है. So 3 square is 9. 9 into 11, 99. That means minus 99. Then minus minus plus 3. Then plus a equal to 0. So by this way you can easily solve it. A is equal to minus 81 minus 27, then plus 99, then minus 3. So now just solve it. So now see, minus 7 1 say 8, and 8 2 say 10. So and minus 3 plus 99. Now a equal to minus 111, I think, right? Then plus 99. Then a equal to minus 2 1, right? Okay, so just write down the value of a is minus 12. So by this way you can easily do it. Okay, coming to the next video. And thank you so much for watching, and like, comment, subscribe if possible. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna.